Hello everyone! I'm going to show you how to log into Imagine Math. So when you get to your class link page, you will click on Imagine Math. You will be using the information from your Imagine Math login page where your student IDs come up. Your username and password come up, and then the site code that everyone will need. So I'm going to sign in as a student, and you will make sure you do that and then put all that information here. Put in your password and your site code. And then it says it's time to take your benchmark. So you will start this test and then let me know when you're finished.